everybody, I'm John here with your Catskill Farm Hustle, accompanied by my wife Jill. She was out back here mowing the grass around the farm this morning with a lawnmower and noticed that our fence is broken. So we're gonna do just hopefully a quick repair. We've brought some basic stuff that I keep up in the garage. Our fencer is a Gallagher fencer that we use for electric fence, and with that, when I installed it, I got the remote. So when we're out doing repairs as far as trees, like up back or whatever, I can turn the fence on and off right from this remote. So she'll zoom in here. And, so when you touch the remote to the fence, it shows that there is voltage. So this is on and this is off, so I hit the off button. There, and the fence is turned off. Now we can make our repair. So we're gonna take and dig it out of the ground here. So it would appear that the strainer has broke. This piece right here. So we'll just get this over here, find the other end. Grass, okay, we found the other end. See what this looks like here. Okay, this is going to be a relatively easy fix. We'll just collapse the spring, pull this out, take this off here. Do the other side, pierce it and go through there. Okay, take this apart here. Leave it right on there. There. Okay. Then come back over here to this. This is all ready. Spring was still good, it just the ratchet thing broke. Okay. That. And we'll take this. Pull this out. Who knows? A cow could have got over in this point here and got shocked and then panicked is what I think happened. Put your glasses on, sweetie, in case this wire gets out of me. All right, so that's that. We'll just bend this as straight as we can here. Okay, my pliers. Straighten this back out. Put that there. These are easy crimps. Great thing. Pull staples and crimp the wire crimps. So easy. So easy. This goes back through here. Gonna fit through there. Oh, sorry, you okay? Okay, that's like that. And we got the handle here. Put back on this. I never tighten them too much, just I'll give these other ones a couple. Otherwise it just pulls the post and just puts undue stress on things. Okay, and then we'll take our hammer. I just want to adjust these staples over here a little bit. Okay, I'm going to walk over here and just check the insulators. They're good. Okay, now I'll grab the remote. This remote, you have to have it deep in your palm, and your feet have to be on the ground, not too much of an insulated boot, because it does pass through your body to make it work, but you don't feel a thing. So you just put the remote on the wire, make a good connection, hit the power button, and wait. There, it's back on. Just as simple as that. Okay, nice simple fix here this morning. I appreciate you taking a minute and watching our channel. Thank you so much.